Hi, and welcome to Enjoy Krakow by Big Wonders. Krakow is a city that blends history, culture, and legends at every turn. Today, we will explore the wonders and secrets of this fascinating Polish city. Get ready! We begin in the heart of Krakow, its historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its medieval streets lead us to the Market Square, one of the largest in Europe, where historic buildings, shops, and restaurants come together. To the northeast of the square stands the imposing St. Mary's Basilica, a Gothic masterpiece. Every hour, a trumpeter plays a melody from the top of the tower, honoring the city's medieval defense. At the center of the square, we find the Cloth Hall, one of the oldest trade markets in Europe. Inside, you will find souvenir shops and local products, perfect for taking a piece of Krakow home with you. Near the Cloth Hall, the Town Hall Tower, the last remnant of the former City Hall, stands as a vantage point for panoramic views of the square and its surroundings. Our tour continues to the Barbican, a former defensive structure that protected the city's entrance. From here begins the famous Florianska Street, leading to the historic St. Florian's Gate, the main entrance to Old Krakow. Just ahead, we find the Juliusz Slowacki Theatre, one of the most beautiful theatres in Europe. Inspired by the Paris Opera, its facade and interior reflects Krakow's artistic splendor. Founded in 1364, the Jagiellonian University is one of Europe's oldest. Inside the oldest building, the Collegium Maius, you find historic rooms and the first globe to feature the Americas. Our next stop is the majestic Wawel Castle, which together with Wawel Cathedral represents centuries of Polish history. A place of royal coronations and tombs, it offers a unique atmosphere of history and grandeur. But we can't leave Wawel without meeting its famous dragon. The legend says that this dragon lived in a cave under the castle, terrorizing the locals until it was defeated. Today, a statue of the dragon stands by the Vistula River, breathing fire every few minutes. We now enter the Kazimierz district, known for its rich Jewish heritage. Here we find the old synagogue, a symbol of the Jewish life that thrived in Krakow for centuries. As we walk down Soroka Street, we can feel the spirit of a vibrant community, with restaurants, galleries, and monuments honoring its history. In Plac Nowy, the cultural heart of Kazimierz, you will find markets and unique nightlife. Nearby, the Father Bernadette Bridge, known for its acrobat sculptures and love locks, connects Kazimierz to the Podgorja district, crossing the Vistula River. In Podgórze, St. Joseph's Church, with its neo-Gothic architecture, looks like something out of a fairy tale. Its details and structure make it one of the most photogenic churches in Krakow. Ghetto Heroes Square is a place heavy with symbolism, where bronze chairs represent the pain and void left by World War II. It's a silent and moving tribute. Across from the square is the Eagle Pharmacy, run during the war by Tadeusz Pankiewicz, who helped the Jews in the ghetto. Today, it's a museum that tells a story of bravery and compassion during dark times. We end our tour at the remnants of the ghetto and Oskar Schindler's factory. Schindler's story is a testament to the impact of one individual and how, in the midst of tragedy, a ray of humanity can shine through. Krakow is a city that holds stories on every corner, in every building and in every legend. We hope you enjoyed this journey through its wonders and history. If you want more information and tips, we prepare for you the Enjoy Krakow Google Maps guide. You can find it on the video description. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and follow Be Wonders on social media. Thank you for watching and see you on the next destination.